Split pea and barley soup. Prepare the ingredients. Dice 1 onion. Chop 4 carrots into 5 centimetre pieces. Chop 1 sweet potato into 5 centimetre pieces. Finely chop the celery. Chop 1 handful of parsley. Heat a pot on a high heat and add the onions. Add the celery and saute for 2 minutes. Add the sweet potato and carrots. Add 2 cups of split peas. Add 1 cup of barley. Cover with water to double the height of the peas. Add 2 tablespoons each of salt and pepper. Add 2 celery leaves. Cover with the lid and simmer for 1 hour or until the split peas are cooked. Season to taste and serve.